So these are my results for the last 7 days, and I've had this shop for a couple of months. This is my best week so far, so I'm not making 500 grand a year. Today I'm revealing my brand new side hustle that generated me $11,578.39 in the last 7 days. This side hustle is in the passive income category since you do all the work in the beginning, so you could put 1 hour into this or 100 hours. And then you enjoy the results for a long time without having to do anything. So it's perfect for the people that are busy with different projects. I created this shop 4 months ago and it took me around a week to complete my first product and set up my store, even though I created some more products after that. Here are some examples of stores doing the same thing I'm doing, and they're doing a lot more sales than me, some of them even over 6 figures, and we don't have to package or ship a single product. Today we're going to go through how I got all these orders, so I'll start with explaining the new side hustle, what I'm selling, example of what others are doing, shop examples, step by step how you can recreate this side hustle, and one golden tip. But before this video starts, I just want to ask you for some help. Leave a like on this video. It really means a lot to me for putting hours into this, and it helps the channel a lot. If you have any feedback, question, or video topics, make sure to leave a comment below. And I realized we forgot to do a real introduction to this channel in the video. So we are How to Build Wealth, a channel that aims to teach you about making money through different methods such as affiliate marketing, digital products, crypto, real estate, e-commerce, stocks, and more. If you find any of these topics interesting, make sure to subscribe, and to not accidentally miss a video, make sure to click the bell. Let's jump into the video. So basically what I'm selling is pre-made digital products that people can download after a purchase. So you create whatever digital product you want once, and then people can purchase it over and over again without you having to lift a finger. When the customer purchases one of your products, Etsy redirects them to a download link and they immediately get what they bought. So you can create it once in like 2 hours and sell it 1 million times. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of digital products so you get what I mean by digital products. And I'm also going to show you my bestseller and what makes me the most amount of money. So the first digital product we're going to look at is Zoom backgrounds. And for those who don't know what Zoom is, it's basically an online video chat that businesses use, that school uses to talk to each other or have like group meetings. Like this girl right here, she's having a Zoom call. And basically people are purchasing pictures that they can use as backgrounds. Also like this girl is doing, like you could have this nice background if you purchase it for $5. Or if you want to look rich, you could buy this picture of a mansion and use it as your background picture. And people are buying these. Like you could put this guy as your background picture for only $6. Let's see how many sales they got. So this product or this, so they got 3,700 sales in total, which is not bad at all for a mansion background. And the funniest thing I checked was this brick background. Someone took a picture of a brick and posted it, and they got 9 sales in total for $4. So you could sell anything basically. And then we got digital or worksheets, and these are really popular. Basically this is like a schedule for your work. You put in what kind of work you have to do for the week, for the month, and this worksheet makes it look nice, makes it look professional and structured. So people buy these, and these are doing really well. Let's check these sales. They got 200,000 sales, which is kind of crazy. And then let's check these out. These are the same people. And then we got, what more do we have? Resume planners. If we're applying for a job and want your resume to look nice, you could go to Etsy and purchase like a template, and then you just put in your information into these templates. And people purchase this. Like not a lot of work are going into this. This is not like an art you create. This is basically some lines and some color on the side of the paper. So that it's not hard at all to create a resume template. And then we got budget trackers for the people that want to keep track of their economy and make their economy or budget trackers look nice, professional. People like to be structured and have all these nice things. Here we got our bestseller. I'm going to show you the bestseller right now that is making me the most money on my digital products, and that is print art. What print art is basically pictures. So you see this picture right here. You aren't getting the frame. You aren't getting a physical product. You aren't getting this artwork. You are getting the picture inside, a digital picture that people then print out in their printer or some professional shop, and then they just frame it by themselves. So you create one picture, and I'm going to show you how you can do this right now with AI. When I first created my pictures, AI wasn't available. Like it didn't exist, at least for the public. So I created my pictures by myself. But with AI right now, you could do it so much easier and faster. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And I'm also going to launch some of my own AI pictures later, because I think I have to get on the train. Like I could do like 20 products in one day. So this is the best selling item I have right now. This is where my majority of the money comes from in digital products. These people are crushing it with 270,000 sales. I'm going to show you how to do it, and the step-by-step tutorial are going to involve print art. So in my opinion, there are three main ways of getting the art for your shop and to your print art. The last one involves AI and is super dope. You could either use public domain art, which is art or pictures that doesn't have any copyright. There could be different reasons for this. Either there was never a copyright for them from the beginning, or the copyright has expired. A good example of this is the Mona Lisa. So you're free to use them however you want, even in commercial use. Just make sure the picture or art you're using actually are in the public domain. If we, for example, look at this artist's work, she got some beautiful art of flowers. So you could basically download this picture and use it however you want. I'm even going to show you how to upload it into a frame mockup, so you could upload it to your store. But this is the first way. The second way is purchasing art or photos for commercial use through, for example, the creative market. Basically, people are selling their art or photos, and then you can purchase them and upload them for commercial use. Before doing that, I'd recommend you to read the license agreement. I think if you purchase the commercial one, you can sell up to 5,000 copies, which if you do, then you don't even have to think about the $16 that you just spent. But it's a super effective, fast way of getting your art. The last and most interesting way is through this new AI bot that is called Midjourney. Basically, this AI bot will generate whatever photo or art you want. I tried it out before recording this video, and honestly, I'm extremely surprised on how well this works. I'm going to show you how this works real quick, and if I had this tool when starting out my shop, I'd be a millionaire right now, because you could print like 500 different artworks in 10 minutes, which is actually insane. So basically you type /imagine, and then you just type in whatever image you want. So you could either give it some detailed instructions and it will give you exactly what you write, or you could just hold it very general or like open, and then it will create something of its own. So, and it will give you 4 different type of pictures. So you could type in like moon, forest, night, 8K, beautiful. And in under a minute, it will generate you your 4 images. It could take, like I said, up to 60 seconds, and then you just wait, and it will print your pictures or images. We got our art, so we got these 4 pictures that I think look incredible. For the people that like this cozy feeling, or they like the forest or the moon, I could definitely see them purchasing these. And you could do different niches. You could do maybe that someone who is interested in rockets or the space. You could type in, let's try another one. You could see what you could even take other people's images, because they have no right to them. Midjourney has a payment plan, so you could pay to have it like in a private chat, and that way no one will be able to steal your images. But this way you could just take this guy's image and download it and use it yourself, because you think his idea was so dope, you just want to take it. So let's try the moon one as well with the space. There we go. They look alright. Like the pictures aren't going to look exactly as you think. If you want, you could give it a very detailed answer. I had more of a dog on the moon with a rocket and the earth in the background idea, but I guess I didn't give it a very detailed instruction. So you could play with it and you could generate like hundreds of artworks in a day, and then you just pick your top 5 and start selling these. And it's a very easy way of selling something. Like how much work did you really have to put into creating this art and uploading it, and then you're done, and then just people download it. You don't have to ship anything, you don't have to talk to the customers or anything. I think this idea is awesome, and that's why it's such a great passive income idea. So we're going to download the images we like. I think I'll try a few more ideas out, but I won't put it in the video because I don't want to make the video too long of me just playing around with the AI. So I'm going to try a couple more ideas out, and then in the next step of the video I'm going to show you how you can take your pictures and upload them into a mockup or a frame mockup. Like we saw earlier on Etsy, all these people had their images in like frames, and that's basically a mockup. So I'm going to show you how to create frame mockup. So I'll see you soon. I forgot to mention two things. So here you can see I generated a beach picture. So let's say you're interested in printing this image out. Alright, this is the second image. You press this button right here and you will get the upscale version of this image. So right now you got 4 small images. If you press this button right here, you will get a big scale of this image right here. And the second thing I forgot to mention is the copyright. The AI works by combining different items or different pictures or different, I don't know what, from the internet. Alright. The issue is someone could own that image that you're combining from the internet. So before actually starting to selling these, I'd recommend you to take your image and put it in like Google photo search to see if there are any images that are matching, or check it through other copyright tools. So just to be 100% sure that no one owns this. So basically all you gotta do to get your frame mockups is go to canva.com and press the smart mockups tab. And here you'll have to type in frames because that's, or frame, that's what we're looking for. And Canva will give you very, very good looking mockups. And there are a lot of different types. So you could be scrolling here looking for the perfect one. I'm just going to pick this one to show you as an example. And then you press select. And I already uploaded my image here because I wanted to test it out. But if you haven't, then you just press upload. So your image gets here. And then just press it and select it. And it should upload. And then you adjust the image to the right dimensions. There we go. And then we just save it. And when you save the mockup, it will be a much higher quality. Don't worry, it doesn't look like this. Then you just save the mockup and let it load for like 5 to 10 seconds. And there we go. There is our shop image or our product image. Then you just download this image and upload it to Etsy with a nice title, description, and you put a price tag on it. And then whenever someone purchases one of your products, they just get this image that they can print out and put in their own frame. And now you've taken the first step to real passive income, because you don't have to ship a product. People just download the image that you uploaded. So that's it for this video. I really appreciate the support I've gotten on my recent videos. If you have any video topics you want me to go through, then just type them in the comments, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys.